Milsons Point was named after James Milson, a free settler originally from Lincolnshire who founded the ferry service that departed here in 1861. And you know what? I think that'll do. We're here for one reason and one reason only: to look back across the greatest harbour in the world to the cove they call it Sydney. Well, that and to learn a little bit of naval history at the bow of the HMAS Sydney at the memorial nearby, of course. When you've done that, you can register this last location and complete the Adventure Lab. This is my city, and I hope you've enjoyed exploring a small part of it and a small part of its history with me today. Before you head off, take a moment to imagine what the scene in front of you would have liked before European settlement in 1788. Picture it as the colony grew, as the bridge spans rose and met, joining the shorelines for the first time, and as the sails of the Opera House were erected on Bennelong Point. We end this operatic operation with a clear view back to where we started not too long ago, underneath one of the wonders of the modern world and in the shadow of a bridge that helped to build a national identity. Here's your final code word. If you'd like to revisit any of the information and history from the stops you visited today, I'll create a playlist on my YouTube channel, Fixit Fingers. Just search there and you should be able to find it. Oh, and don't forget to check the regular geocaching app before you go. There are a heap of caches around which I'm sure you'll enjoy. Otherwise, head up the hill, back to Milsons Point train station, and you should be able to find your way back into the city. Unless, of course, you'd like to enjoy the walk one more time. Thanks for playing. I hope you enjoyed yourself here today. Cheers and goodbye.